Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Samsung tablets for gaming that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra Wi-Fi. This renewed option packs a massive 14.6-inch display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, making it perfect for gamers who demand a large and immersive screen. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, with its octa-core processor, ensures smooth gameplay even for graphically demanding titles. With 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for your games and apps. Design-wise, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is sleek and modern, featuring a slim profile and graphite finish. The included S Pen adds versatility for creative tasks like drawing or note-taking, though its gaming-specific advantages are limited. The build quality is solid, but the tablet's weight of 1.6 pounds can make it less portable for extended gaming sessions. Battery life averages around 6.5 hours, which is slightly lower than we'd expect for a gaming tablet. Overall, this tablet is best suited for users who prioritize screen real estate and multitasking capabilities over portability. It's not the cheapest option, but it's a strong performer for casual and mid-level gaming. The main downside here is the renewed status, which may not appeal to everyone looking for brand new devices. If you're okay with a pre-owned device and want a cinematic gaming experience, this one's worth considering. Taking the third spot is the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, a fantastic mid-range option for gamers. Featuring an 11-inch screen with 1920 by 1200 resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate, this tablet offers a smooth and vibrant visual experience. Dolby Atmos-powered quad speakers deliver immersive sound, making it ideal for those who enjoy audio-rich games. The upgraded Qualcomm Snapdragon 69 chipset ensures solid performance, while 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB, provide ample space for apps and games. The design balances portability and durability with its slim, lightweight profile. At just 1.32 pounds, it's easy to carry around, and its durable build is perfect for on-the-go use. Features like multi-window display and Samsung Kids Mode make this tablet versatile for multitasking and family use. Battery life is decent, lasting through several hours of gaming, and quick share functionality adds convenience for transferring files between devices. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is an excellent choice for casual gamers or families who want a versatile device for entertainment and productivity. While it doesn't have the highest resolution or processing power, it delivers a great balance of features for its category. Its affordable price point and well-rounded performance make it a solid contender in this lineup. Coming in at number 2 is the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, a premium powerhouse designed for gamers and creators alike. Its 12.4-inch AMOLED 2X screen with 2800 by 1752 resolution provides breathtaking visuals perfect for high-end gaming. The MediaTek chipset delivers exceptional performance, ensuring lag-free gameplay even for demanding titles, with 512 GB of internal storage and 12 GB of RAM. This tablet has the capacity to handle large game libraries and multitasking with ease. The design is sleek and futuristic, with a slim profile and moonstone gray finish. The included S Pen adds versatility for creative tasks like sketching or note-taking, and advanced features like sketch-to-image and circle-to-search make it a productivity powerhouse. The long battery life ensures extended gaming sessions, and Note Assist with Galaxy AI takes your productivity to the next level by organizing and summarizing notes and recordings. This tablet is ideal for gamers who want the best of everything: stunning visuals, powerful performance, and innovative features. The downside is the price, which may be overkill for casual users. However, if you're looking for a top-tier gaming tablet with unmatched capabilities, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is worth the investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, a perfect blend of affordability, performance, and features for gaming enthusiasts. With its 10.4-inch display boasting 2000 by 1200 resolution, this tablet delivers sharp visuals whether you're playing games or streaming content. Dolby Atmos surround sound enhances your gaming experience with immersive audio, while the included S Pen adds versatility for note-taking and creative tasks. The slim metal design feels premium, and at just over £1, it's incredibly portable. Powered by Samsung's latest processor and 4 GB of RAM, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite handles most games with ease. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 14 hours on a single charge, so you can game all day without interruptions. Plus, with expandable storage up to 1 TB, you'll never run out of space for your favorite titles. This tablet strikes the perfect balance between price and performance, making it an excellent choice for casual and mid-level gamers. It's also versatile enough for productivity tasks, thanks to Samsung DeX and its PC-like capabilities. While it doesn't have the raw power of premium models like the Tab S10 Plus, its value proposition is unmatched. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed gaming tablet, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.